Right, welcome to the Robert Show. We are here at NVIDIA GDC. Super excited to be here. It's day one, and I'm with Prajakta from Data Robot. Prajakta, welcome to the Robert Show. I
Thank
think
you.
two Mumbaikars together now chatting at NVIDIA GDC.
I am super excited to
Right?
be here.
Yeah, and obviously to start with, we would love to know a little about what do you do at Data Robot and a little about yourself.
Sure. So I lead the product team at Data Robot.
Yep.
I've been with Data Robot for almost a year now, and it's
Nice.
been an incredibly exciting journey. And as you said, I'm from Mumbai. I grew up in Mumbai, but now calling San Jose my home.
Home.
Yes.
Right, fantastic. It's good to catch up. I know there have been a lot of talkings that are happening here at NVIDIA GTC. Today the keynote happened. There have been massive announcements that were made, and I know you all have been chatting with a lot of people here at Data Robot booth as well. I'm kind of curious to know what are you most excited about, and what are you seeing the excitement in the folks' minds as well that, okay, they are excited about this. Any thoughts there?
Yeah, I mean, lots to take away from the keynote.
Yep.
I thought the whole section on physical AI and the next frontier was super interesting and really shows the art of the possible. Love the blue robot.
Exactly.
As a Disney fan, I think it was great to see it come to life. But just walking around the expo here and talking to customers, it's really a time and age where agentic AI is becoming real. People are bringing some real business use cases and looking to deploy agents into their business settings and production settings. So
Yeah.
that's very exciting.
I love it, and actually at the keynote as well, a few things that I love was around the inferencing, around
Oh, yes.
agentic AI, definitely. Also Blackwell, the desktop CPU. So those were fantastic. I'm kind of also wanting to learn a little about. Since you mentioned about agentic AI, I know you closely work with NVIDIA around agentic AI. Would you like to share a little about that as well?
Yeah, so we actually just launched today a deep integration with NVIDIA's AI Enterprise suite of capabilities.
Very cool.
And that really streamlines both the development of agentic AI as well as deployment.
Yeah.
So let me maybe demystify the buzzwords a little bit.
Yes.
So we have the entire gallery of NVIDIA NIMs available on the Data Robot platform.
Very cool.
We are leveraging NeMo microservices across the agentic AI lifecycle. And then we are also encapsulating the NVIDIA blueprints in our end-to-end agentic AI apps. To really target key business use cases. I'll be doing a demo of it tomorrow, so would love for all of you to show up there and take a look.
That's awesome. Congrats on all the announcements. Looks like those are fantastic announcements, and great for the NVIDIA customers, but also for the Data Robot customers
Yes.
at the same time.
Yes.
That's amazing. I'm wanting to also know a little bit about the use cases. What are your favorite agentic AI use cases? Anything that comes to your mind?
Gosh, it's hard to pick a favorite, but maybe some of the cool things our customers have implemented.
Yeah.
One of them is a manufacturing agent
Yep.
that can look at different data, like it can look at supply chain data from SAP, it can look at product inventory data, but also process video footage
Very cool.
in a warehouse. And then sort of be your sort of digital employee in the agent in a warehouse to help plan to find space for emergency shipments, etc.
Yep.
Another use case is one of our oil and gas customers have also employed an agent to process drone footage of their oil pipelines
Okay.
and really detect things like spills so that they can deploy, maintenance workers to take action before it becomes a huge natural disaster. So
Okay.
some really cool use cases.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I think I really like how you all are into not only just manufacturing but oil and gas as well.
Yes,
So which is
yes.
great. I'm pretty sure you all also work with a lot of regulated industries in finance and healthcare
We do.
Yeah.
We work with a lot of financial customers on financial planning, cash flow management, but also a lot of government and federal customers.
Okay,
So,
fantastic. That's awesome to hear. I'm also, because I was around and I see a lot of developers here too. And, when I was talking to a few developers, they're like, creating an agentic AI or, the agents becomes a challenge for them. It can be daunting. Do you have any advice for them? How can they make it easier? But is there a particular roadmap they should follow? Anything that you can share, Prajakta?
I mean, it's a great time to be a developer, an AI developer.
exactly.
It's like a kid in the candy shop. There are new tools, models, frameworks coming out every day.
Yep.
I think it's going back to the basics. It really starts from what are the business outcomes you're trying to achieve, what are the business use cases where AI can help accelerate your business or bring more efficiencies, and then having a platform that can help you quickly evaluate the next new model on the block or tool on the block to
Right.
see if it makes sense, if it better serves your use case. So really having the key evaluation capabilities, having a way to debug. Agents are highly complex systems, so having a way to do detailed tracing and debug your applications. But then, oftentimes we only talk about development. It's not once and done.
Yeah,
So you
exactly.
really also need to think about the DevOps considerations and how do you deploy things into production.
Very important.
Deploy things where it's needed. So it might not always be on a public cloud. It might be in a manufacturing plant.
Exactly.
And really make sure that you have the right monitoring capabilities, the right security, and the right guardrails around it. So those are key considerations to make agents real, from just a toy to something your business can rely on.
Very helpful, and definitely developers are going to benefit from this advice, Prajakta. So thanks for that. One more quick question that I had was, I know Data Robot kind of comes up with a lot of material, white papers, ebooks, the resources. If the developers or the enterprise leaders want to look at that, where can they do that?
So our website is a treasure trove of resources.
Okay.
There's also
Fantastic.
a way to schedule a demo with us. If you're at GTC, we are at booth 2017.
Nice.
And we also have a session. So the warehouse agent demo that I was talking about, we have a session where we will be doing the demo tomorrow at 11. As well as we have a customer, one of our telco customers will be speaking with us. So
that's very cool.
Yes.
So the telecom industry as well.
yes.
Fantastic.
Very much.
Yeah, I love it. Prajakta, one more question, and I promise this is the last one. If folks want to reach out to you, learn more about the things that you're doing, I know you might be sharing the content or writing something. So is LinkedIn a best place? X, where can they connect?
Yeah, LinkedIn would be great. Please ping me. You can also email me. It's just damle@datarobot.com.
Okay.
So happy to talk with everybody who is interested in either sharing a good insight or learning more about Data Robot.
I love it. We'll keep the conversation going, and definitely great work that you all are doing in the agentic space, and excited to see the next 3 days. And I know there are a lot of people around, so we'll wrap this up. But such a pleasure chatting with you. Thanks for visiting the Ravid Show. We'll definitely learn more about the different things that Data Robot is doing, maybe on the website, through the resources as well.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure. I'm a big fan. So
Thank you.
It's been a great pleasure to be here.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much, Prajakta. Thanks everyone for joining us today.